Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you new here, my name is Pooja and you watching me on UPSC with Pooja. So this is our part 2 video. So in this video we are going to deal with the review of the IS network free study materials. So these study materials are totally free of cost. You can download this study material from their website, which I have already dealt in my previous video. That means the part 1 video of this series, that means the IS network review. So if you have not go through them, you can go and check it out. I will give the link in the description below. So in this video we are going to deal with the review of their notes, that means the free UPSC materials for your UPSC main syllabus, for UPSC GS paper 2, GS paper 3 and also ethics paper and essay paper. So let's get started this video. So first we will look at this, that means the full GS paper 2 notes. So first we will analyze the features. Covers entire GS paper 2 syllabus in a single document. Content is divided as per official UPSC syllabus. To the point content, concise, easy to revise. So these are the features of their notes, supplemented by recommendations from the international bodies and reports. Get all is.network notes from www.is.network. So this is their website. You can go and check it out, their website, for these free notes. Mentorship program for UPSC 2020-21 available, which I have already dealt in my previous video. GS answers, essay, PSIR, sociology, PubAd, history, geography, anthropology optional evaluation available. So which I have already discussed in very detail. So you can go and check it out, their website, and also you can contact this number for free demo or enrollment. So which I have already completed in my previous video. So this video is going to review their notes. So as you can see, so this is their notes. A lot of content in GS paper 2 overlaps with Indian polity by M. Lakshmikant, which all UPSC aspirants refer. Anyway, so we won't be covering that in our notes. Our efforts have been to provide best of the content with respect to the UPSC mains GS paper 2. So as you all know, M. Lakshmikant polity book is must for UPSC preparation. So they won't give the same content from Lakshmikant. So you have to refer Lakshmikant first for your basics. After that you can go for these notes for those topics which are not covered in your Lakshmikant, like your governance, social justice, international relation, international bodies, recommendation, ARC recommendation, citizens charter. So there are a lot of topics except Lakshmikant. So you can go for this topic, you can go through these notes. So as you can see, basic structured doctrine, Keshavananda Bharti case, various other cases and reaffirmed doctrine. So as you can see, they have given a very concise and short notes for each and every topic. After watching this video, if you want to go and check it out, their website, for download the free study material, you can go, and believe me, these are very good notes for your UPSC mains preparation. 1 lakh students have downloaded their notes from their website. So as you can see, each and every topic they have given in a very concise and short manner. I hope this video will definitely helpful for all of you, those who are thinking to revise or to read their notes. So I believe that their notes is very good for your mains point of view, and I personally believe after reading their notes or after seeing their notes, I am feeling that yes, I will definitely read their notes for my mains attempt. So as you can see, decentralization in India. So they have given in a very concise manner that those type of notes that definitely help you in your mains answer writing, because when we read directly from our books, we have to make our own notes, right? So they will reduce your time and you can increase your time in your revision if you read these notes. So as you can see, each and every topic which are included in your UPSC preparation, they have given in a very concise notes, so that when any type of questions come from your UPSC syllabus, you can at least give your best to give a good answer, right? So as you can see, this is their GS paper 2 notes. So this is almost, I'm showing you. Wait. So these are their copies. You can get their copies there. So this is almost 252, almost 250 pages. I think after Lakshmikant, for your main supplementary notes, and this is totally updated notes from 2020. So if you feel that you can go for these notes, this will definitely helpful for your UPSC mains 2020 and also UPSC mains 2021, because these notes are totally updated notes. So the almost 250 notes are quite easy to revise, and also these are totally concise notes. because to the point you can get here the to the point answers and also the to the point recommendations, their summaries and their website. Each and everything is very well covered in their notes. So this is the total GS paper notes, GS paper 2 notes. So now we will go for second ARC recommendations. So as you can see, this is very thin, na? So this is very thin. This is very easy to revise, because before the mains we need very lack of time, because at that moment you need to revise each and everything in a very concise manner, very short time. So that in that moment second ARC recommendation summary is very important for your mains perspective, for in your GS paper 2, in your GS paper 3, and obviously in your GS paper 4, because in GS paper 3 disaster management, in a disaster management or financial crisis, this type of topic also included in your second ARC recommendation, and also in your governance section, and also citizens charter. There are obviously ethics, that means ethics in governance. So this type of topic you have to read for your UPSC mains preparation, like in your GS paper 2, 3 and 4. So if you go through their second ARC recommendation, I believe that I will definitely cover my second ARC recommendation from their notes, and believe me, this is quite good, very good. So as you can see, second ARC first report, right to information, as you all know, first recommendation RTI, very concise and short manner. You can see very concise. After downloading them, you can read them. Just take a demo evaluation also from their website. I believe that you will just fall in love with these notes, because these are very short and very concise, and definitely to the point for your UPSC mains preparation, and updated notes for your UPSC 2020 and 21. So as you can see, second ARC report. So each and every report takes only 5 pages or 5 to 7 pages. So that is sufficient for each and every report, right? So this is the second ARC recommendation. This is very thin. So I hope this video, I think this, if you read this second ARC recommendation, definitely it will help in your UPSC mains preparation. So then come to these sections. Course compilation for UPSC essay, 10 courses covering different sectors. So this is the best thing. If you ask me, this is the best thing, because in a UPSC essay paper, before getting these notes, I personally make a note copy for my UPSC essay collection. That was the collection of the note quotes for my UPSC essay. But after getting this, now I am feeling that definitely I will cover my quote section from this compilation. So if you want to get this printed notes, you can contact this number 9821 697670, and also there are also few numbers are available. All India courier service is available for their notes. You can just call this number for your hard copies, or you can download the PDF, and also you can print it out them from your any of the local shop. So as you can see, this is the 100 course covering each and every sections, like education and values, environment and climate change, women empowerment. So every year UPSC gives 1 or 2 essay from women or religion, science and technology. Each and every topic is asked in your UPSC essay. If you have go through the last 10 years UPSC essay paper, so you already knew that these topic are most important topic for your UPSC mains, right? So they have already given you the topic wise, like democracy, poverty, politics. So in your essay which related to this topic, you can include this quote in your essay. This will definitely give you a good marks, and also you can obviously include this type of quotation in your ethics paper also. So globalization, war and peace, judiciary. So they have given topic, and they are 5 to 7 or 10 quotations, and almost 100 quotations from for your UPSC essay paper. So I think this is the best part. So as you can see, so this is very thin, and this is very student friendly or aspirant friendly, I believe, because it will reduce your time, right? So now this is the GS paper 3 notes, right? So this is features covers entire GS paper 3 syllabus in a single document. Content is divided as per the official UPSC syllabus, to the point, concise and easy to revise, right? So these are the notes. So here you can see, supplemented by budget 2020-21 and Niti Aayog strategy for New India at the rate 75. So as you can see, this is the important thing for your UPSC 2020 and 21 Niti Aayog in New India for at the rate 75, and also the budget, right? So they have already supplemented these notes in your note copy, and this is also a dynamic notes, like static plus dynamic or current affairs both included, and obviously this will definitely helpful for 2020 and 2021. So now you can see, so brief introduction of Indian economy. current economic scenario and potential structural reforms, reason for rapid increase in the tertiary sector. So as you can see, each and every topic, budget 2020-21 measures, economic planning, basics of planning, significance of the planning. So each and every topic is included in your UPSC syllabus, and each and every year questions are coming from this type of notes. So if you go through their notes, I hope and I believe that definitely this will help you. And almost 1 lakh students have already downloaded their notes. So obviously this give definitely a impetus to your preparation. So achievements of Niti Aayog, shortcomings of Niti Aayog. So this type of topic will definitely helpful, because some short notes or some short topics will help you to reduce your time for your note making, and it will help you in your mains preparation, also revise your mains notes, right? So suggestions, resources, basics of India. So each and everything they have given in a very detailed and short manner, and to the point and concise, as you can see, given in a bullet format. So I hope this type of notes will definitely helpful. So this is the total GS paper 3 notes, right? So now come to the internal security notes for UPSC mains GS paper 3. So in these notes, they have not included the internal security notes for your UPSC mains GS paper 3. So as you can see, features save time and effort to the students. So that I have already told you. So this will definitely save your time for note making, and this will increase your time for your revision. Very simple explanation, rich in examples, recommendation, committees and commissions. So when we make our own notes, we have to search here and there for recommendations, for committees and commissions and examples, right? So if you get them at the same place or in a concise way, right? So this will definitely reduce your time, and definitely it will help you in your mains answer writing. Simple format of basics, issues and suggestions, topics which they have covered in this booklet. So they have also given their internal security, social media, cyber security. So each and every topic like money laundering, border issues, Northeast India. So each and every topic is already included in your UPSC syllabus. They have given a very concise way, and as you can see, this is very thin, right? So as you can see that this is very thin, and also when we go for internal security book, it is quite bulky. So just for very few topic, if you go for at least 500 or 600 pages bulky book, it will definitely hamper your study, and this is not a smart way. So this is the smart way. You have to prepare your short topics, like you have to read Lakshmikant, you have to read Spectrum, right? But when it's come from for the short topic, so you have to rely on any short type of notes, like this type of notes. Definitely it will help you in your mains preparation and to save your time, right? So you have to think output and input ratio. So according to output and input ratio, you have to give your time. So as you can see, internal security basics, suggestions, social media. So each and every topic is quite 2 to 3 pages, not more than that, and it is quite easy to, cyber security, just quite easy to remember, or is just quite easy to memorize each and everything. So as you can see, this is the notes of internal security. You can download them from their website. So now come to the disaster management. This is also a topic for GS paper 3. Disaster management GS paper 3 notes covers NDMA guidelines and second ARC recommendations that can be used in exam for high marks. So which I have already told you that ARC report already recommended a disaster management notes, right? Recommendations. So they have already included in their notes like disaster management, and as you can see, very concise. It is very concise and very short. I have already told you, for this kind of notes, you have this kind of topic, you have to refer notes, because for this kind of small topic, books is not necessary. If you go for any bulky book, it will rather destroy your times, right? So you have to smartly strategize your UPSC preparation. You can definitely download their notes, and definitely it will help you. Different disaster covers in the format basics, threats, vulnerability, challenges, impact measures, NDMA guidelines and second ARC recommendations, which I have already told you, and which type of topic they have included in this topic, in these notes. So they have also given there. So as you can see, basics of disaster. So I personally believe, I have already told you in my many previous videos, that without understanding the static portion, you cannot go through the current affairs, right? If you cannot understand the static properly, you cannot remember, or you cannot revise the current affairs. So for remember the current affairs, to recall the current affairs, you have to well in your basics. That means you have to well in your static portions. So they have already included these sections here. That means the basics of the disaster management and also the dynamic portions of the disaster management. So as you can see, classification of disaster, these are very important for your mains answer writing. Earthquakes, natural disasters, pre-disaster preventive measure, post-disaster preventive measure. So these are the topics, droughts. So these are the topics which each and every year UPSC asked questions from your geography or your UPSC environment or disaster management sections. So I hope after reading these notes, you will definitely feel good. So this is the disaster management notes. So now come to these sections. Ethics paper notes, UPSC IS ethics notes for GS paper 4. So this is, as you all know, as we know that marks of the GS paper 4 plays crucial role in selection. We have prepared comprehensive material for the UPSC CSE aspirant, features to the point content, nothing irrelevant added to the save time and efforts of the students. Very simple definition and explanation. So this is the very important thing for your UPSC GS paper 4 preparation, to know the each and every definitions of each and every keywords, which I have already told you in my previous videos. Rich in examples. Examples is also a good content for your UPSC GS paper 4 preparation, for easier understanding as well as to score high marks in the exam. Writing examples in every answer is crucial. So we have added ample examples that can be directly used by the students. So you have to give a relevant examples in your answers so that you can enrich your answers, right? So for enriching your answers, they have already given you ample amount of rich examples and also definitions and explanations. Topics covered, as you can see, all these topics are already covered in your UPSC syllabus. So they have already given this kind of notes in your in these notes. So moral thinkers and second ARC recommendations would be covered in part 2. So these are the part 1 notes, and the part 2 notes will definitely cover moral thinkers and second ARC recommendations. So as you can see, ethics, examples, different types of ethics. So here you will get both static and dynamic and both moral ethics, descriptive ethics, sources of ethics. So each and every small topics which are included in your UPSC paper 4, that means ethics paper 4, they have already included each and every notes. Ethical consideration for a public administrator. So each and every this kind of diagrams or this kind of flowcharts will definitely help you in your to substantiate your answer, and obviously their recommendations, commissions, reports and examples, case studies, this will definitely help you to enrich your answer, to substantiate your answer. So I hope this video will be helpful for all of you. So if you have not go through their website, please go and check it out, their website, which I have already dealt in my previous video. You can go and check it out, their videos, and I have already make another video for them, that their answer writing evaluation programs in my previous video. You can go and check it out, their website, for answer writing evaluation also. So in this video, that's it for today. If you like this video, do subscribe and like my channel. So thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.